guys, Apex Garage out here at SEMA 2018. We're going to take you guys around, show us some cool projects that we've been seeing on the internet but haven't seen in person. We're going to show you some product highlights that are new for 2018 from some of our sponsors and just some other companies that support Time Attack. So if you're not out here and you're a Time Attack driver or anything in that market, make sure you keep watching. From Motivicity always bring the best cars. And in case you guys aren't familiar, this is Can Jam. If you guys have been to Speed Ring or been to the CSCS series up north in Canada, you know that this car is no joke. And I'm pretty happy to announce that they're going to be at Super Lap Battle here next week as well. It's going to be awesome to see what Richard can do in this thing around Buttonwillow. God, this thing is beautiful. So we're out here at the Exity booth, and this obviously caught my eye. Jose has this beautiful Skyline. Tell me about it, Jose.
Hey, how you doing? It's a 1972 Nissan Skyline, done in Nissan Solid Red. Triple Mikuni 44s, 3.0 liter L28, wide heat-strict seats.
This thing is just beautiful.
A lot of carbon fiber from Carbon Signal, also carbon fiber from number 7 in Japan.
And he has not spared any expense on this thing. The interior is immaculate.
So Carbon Signal for some of the interior bits, Momo, carbon steering wheel as well. Masterpiece titanium bolts, basically everywhere, and then Pro bolts as well, fasteners.
Absolutely beautiful, man. I know it's day one, but this is my favorite car by far so far. Because like they have this beautiful Skyline in here, but they also have some, oh yeah, R32 clutches. These things are hard to find, and Exetti is bringing them back. Guys, we're at the Stop Tech booth talking to Brad about their new beautiful calipers.
Hey guys, we have a brand new 6-piston caliper. This is a prototype called the C60. It's part of our new competition series. So it's the lightest weight, strongest 6-piston caliper that we've ever made at Stop Tech. And it's meant to be the next generation after the ST60, which is the workhorse of the 6-piston Stop Tech family. This new design is 16% more stiff than the old design and weighs 2.3 pounds less. So it weighs in at 5.5 pounds and is one of the lightest 6-piston calipers we've ever produced.
It's almost astonishing how light it is. And as you guys can see, they went through every single detail in this
Oh yeah, all the pocketing, the removing of material. A lot of the design features of this came out of a brand new software program, finite element analysis program, that we're using to retain the stiffness and remove as much weight as we can out of the caliper. And this is really one of the third calipers we've designed using that program, but it's the first brand new design caliper from the ground up. So all of the other calipers that we've made in the past have been generations where we improve them every year, but this is the first new clean slate caliper, and we're pretty excited about its performance capability.
As you guys can see, the difference is just astonishing. The asymmetric design, the weight is just, I can't show you on video the difference, but I mean, it is remarkable. These guys have reinvented the wheel here, and I cannot wait to see what's next. I also can't wait to see these on the race cars.
Can't wait to see it on your car.
Awesome stuff, guys. Some pretty cool builds here at SEMA. Obviously, this guy took a lot of time and effort fabricating this. Yes. That is beautiful. All of the hot side stuff.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
super race car. It's pretty pretty. We're in the Toyota Tires booth, and Savannah and I actually saw this car on a trailer getting sent out here on our way to Super Lab. That thing is beautiful. Deechworks Pump, checking out their brand new brushless fuel pumps.
So big for 2019 in the Deechworks booth is our new brushless pumps. Brushless are the new technology now. Everyone's going crazy about them. All your wrenches or stuff are going brushless. The cool thing about this pump is it's an in-tank style, where all the other manufacturers are making like big inlines that are really expensive. Ours are going to be in-tank style, very affordable. Big on these ones are fuel compatibility. You can run anything through it: gasoline, E85, diesel, meth, whatever you want. It will look right back at you and laugh. So, and you know, where these are super efficient, they can flow a lot. But big on top of that as well is that they take a lot of voltage, where most pumps we don't want to put a lot of voltage to it, but this one likes it. So you can put it all the way up to like 18 volts, and our 425 liter per hour pump that normally flows, that will actually flow over 500, close to 600, depending on your pressure. So like your is what, 60 psi is usually what you run. You'll have a 500 liter per hour fuel pump at 60 psi, which is huge.
That's impressive. And not only that, but it'll last forever because it's brushless.
There you go. And it's Deechworks.
And it's Deechworks,
Yeah,
of
there you
course.
go. Yep.
You guys, I was going to show you some cool cars. How about some cool Pikes Peak trucks? Old Smokey. I'm sure you guys have all seen them on the internet. Damn, this thing is beautiful.
Sam, this is what you want to do to your board.
In the Braille booth, this is John Wharton's old Nissan that literally has seen some of the best racing that Nissan has ever seen. This thing has been fully restored. We talked to the gentleman that owns it now. They did an amazing job. So this morning we had a driver summit with the Global Time Attack guys. Jason had some pretty cool things to talk about for 2019. If you guys did not watch the live stream, we're going to give you guys a 30-second breakdown of what they have in store for next year.
Well, introducing something new next year. We're going to go to COTA, Circuit of the Americas, February 16th and 17th, 2019. It's coming up quick, only 4.5 months away. This is the jump off. This is the beginning of something special. The goal is to make it an international event with teams from Australia, the best teams from Japan, and the best teams from Europe, and anywhere else in the world that would like to come compete against the best teams here in North America. Want to get away from the fact of spreading ourselves out too thin, trying to do something like that in so many different places. I think one big hit a year will create a real special atmosphere, a real put up or shut up type situation. You got to wait till next year to do it. So it's coming up, like I said, 4.5 months from now, February 16th and 17th. I'm really looking forward to it.
4 months, that's like a year for us.
It is.
That's awesome.
It's a long time from now. It is. It is.
So if anybody's watching this and you're in that area or not in that area, make it out to that event. This is going to be the biggest Time Attack event North America's ever seen, and we're starting it next year. Let's make this thing big.
It's going to have all the fun stuff. Car show, of course. I'm working with some car show partners right now and setting that up. Maybe a drifting element, maybe not. Not sure COTA's too friendly with drifting, but we're looking at all different kinds of avenues. There's going to be a lot of content coming out. We'll be working a lot with the likes of Kevin and Savannah coming up here real soon about their journey on getting ready for Super Battle COTA, February 16th and 17th.
Hell yeah, man. Thank you so much for what you do.
High five, we actually did it.
All right, followers of Ryan Eversley, his TCR car is here. If you guys follow World Challenge, you would have seen this thing dominating all year. Honda came out with this thing that's pretty damn beautiful. She's been working the Koenig booth this week.
Hi, I'm Savannah.
And we're also here with Scott from Koenig.
Okay, I'll be him. I'll be him.
Scott's going to tell us a little bit about Koenig's new wheels for 2019. So,
Sure.
What's
Yeah.
up, Scott?
Well, we have wheels, you might have known. This is a new wheel, it's called the Koenig Freeform. We basically built it for Savannah because we love her so much.
Yeah.
It's a flow form wheel. It is 17, 18, 19 right now, staggered applications, A and B profile. not on things like really narrow, so don't ask. But we do have staggered applications for a lot of different vehicles. So I don't know, things like Z's, you know what I mean.
Lots of different colors on this one too. There's some new colors on
Well,
this.
we have a new color that we're going to be secondary. This is a matte silver. It's pretty unique. It feels really good. You should feel it. If you can feel it on video,
Hey,
it's kind of like
internet.
feels
Feel
good.
what I'm feeling.
Feels good. Feels good.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
So yeah, we did do it in matte silver. We do have another finish that we're trying out. We'll flip to the other side. Kevin will run really fast. Look at him go. It's incredible.
Oh, and it's fancy.
Yeah, it's fancy.
It also feels.
So nice.
We're at Koenig, where wheels feels.
Where this feels. So yeah, so that's a bronze wheel. We're calling it a radium bronze. It kind of has some machining to it. Really gives it that anodized look. So that's kind of cool. We got some cast stuff for something for the drift guys that are pretty cool. We're doing 17.9.5 and a 15 offset, so those S chassis cars can clear some suspension pieces without having to use, you know, big spacers and stuff like that. That's over there. Kevin's gonna move the camera that way.
But first, I'm going to show you guys this beautiful
Pretty crazy,
BMW V10.
right? Because you know B is for build. Everybody knows B is for
B is
build.
for build.
That's right.
Everybody.
Beautiful, beautiful car. It's almost like it was meant to be there.
It's meant to be here.
All right, here's the other one. Where's the other one, Scott? No. I'm showing them the ones that are going on my Subaru because they're so pretty. Sorry, I had to do it.
Just turn into the Kevin Manson.
So, okay,
Yep.
this is what we're looking at.
It's a 6-spoke wheel. We call it the tandem, but it does have regular 16, 17, 18 type fitment. And like I said, the 17.9.5 is at a 15, so it might be cool for some of you road racers out there looking to get some of that in, you know what I mean?
Thanks, Scott.
Yep,
You're the best.
I really am. Thanks.
SEMA Day 3, and what better way to start off with probably the two best cars in a single booth all weekend. That's the Mackin booth, this beautiful S2000 with the full Voltex aero. And this beautiful R34. Give you guys some more detail on the aero on those things. It's pretty impressive. Looks to be all driver carbon. Just the intricacies of it is pretty damn impressive, Evasive and Voltex. And we even got the diffuser back here.
What's your affiliation?
Technically, it's the
That's the fin striping here at SEMA. I think we might have to get the BC Racing helmet fin striping for this. This is just amazing to watch. And that's that takes is impressive. Tires tread fast, and if you guys have not seen this at SEMA, this is probably the prettiest car here. I'm here with Sean. He built this thing, and he's going to be running Global Time Attack with us next year. Tell me about the car, Sean.
Well, this is what's left of my 72 240Z. It's never supposed to be this. And I got really jealous of seeing all you guys run Time Attack, and I wanted to build a really, really gnarly, you know, unlimited car, and this is what I came up with. Full carbon fiber car, full tube chassis. I've got your LS everything motor in there, and she's ready to rip.
It's absolutely beautiful. There's not a single thing he skipped on this build.
It took me about 4 years to build it, and I just wanted to take my time, and you know, every weld on this car is mine, and you know, all this carbon fiber work is mine, and I just wanted it to be, you know, my best body of work. And like I've told you guys, she's a race car stuck at a show car, you know.
All race cars are show cars.
Exactly.
All show cars want to be race cars.
She got in the top 10 Sport Compact Battle of the Builders, so
Hell yeah, dude. Congratulations.
that's crazy to me.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm really stoked to come racing with you guys next year.
And I told him, I said, it's too clean to drive. He says, look at it now because I'm going to beat the shit out of it next year.
That is, yeah, this is as pretty as she'll ever get. So
That's the right attitude.
expect all the rock chips and scratches and dings. Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Thanks for showing it to us. Appreciate it. Definitely the coolest thing Dodge has ever bought. If you're a drag racing fan, the 60s, 70s, and 80s, you know this thing. This always comes to SEMA with some awesome cars, usually off-road stuff. But this 4-rotor turbocharged FD RX-7 is impressive. And goddamn is it beautiful. Please come race with us. Here with with the Bens from Gears and Gasoline. If you guys are not following them, go follow them. Also, when you watch some of their videos, don't judge the quality of our videos because we're nowhere near as good as the Bens. But anyway, they're not used to being on the side of the camera, but I know they have some big stuff in store for next year, and they had some awesome content this year. So, what's up, guys? What's going on?
We did a road trip this year, and it was a ton of fun from Florida to Alaska. We'll probably do that again this year, or next year, I guess. More of that.
Yeah, not the same thing.
You know how good that video was? I've done that trip, or part of that trip, so many times, and I still watched it and loved watching it. It was almost sadistic.
A lot of the boring driving overnight sections.
Well, like, half the fun of it is that we got to take our fun cars, you know what I mean? So it's like, you've probably done it before in a trailer or whatever.
Yeah.
So, yeah. We're gonna film a lot more Time Attack next year, so if you guys watch Kevin and Savannah, I'm sure you love Time Attack, so we'll be at every Grid Life event, no matter how many of them that there are, and we can film all those, and it's, yeah, lots of rad stuff happening.
Garage builds, if you watch them, then you know how they're talented. We're not talented, but I actually caught my car on fire, and that'll be coming out soon.
Yeah, I didn't do anything to my car recently, so.
Hey, welcome to the Fire Club. All right, well, thanks, guys. Thanks for everything you do. You have shown our sport in a way that nobody has captured yet, and we love you for it.
If you guys aren't subscribed to Kevin and Savannah, which if you're not, I don't know how you're watching this video, but go and subscribe.
You can watch without being subscribed, I guess.
Don't worry about us. Subscribe to them. I promise it's better watch.
No, subscribe.
No, subscribe to you.